There are two ways to redeem a membership in the POS, via the search screen or via any of your cell screens. Let's start with the search screen. Navigate to the Member tab and search using member name or membership ID. Your guest will have a booking confirmation email with a QR code that can be scanned. Once the membership is retrieved, click Redeem Membership. At this point, you may be asked to add a waiver to the guest's membership if one hasn't been added previously. Once complete, you'll be taken to a new booking with the member loaded in as the booking holder. You can now proceed through the sale as normal. Any membership discounts will be marked in blue beneath the product line item. Continue to payment as normal. To redeem from any of your sales screens, simply click Redeem Membership and search using member name or membership ID. The member is added to the booking and you can proceed as normal. Please note, you can only redeem one membership per transaction, so start a new sale for any further memberships.